Hi, hello friends. There are 8 parts in the plumber block assembly. The first part is the body part. This is the body part, and second one is the cap, and third one and fourth one are the bearing bottom off and bearing top off, and the fifth one is square headed bolt M10 and sixth nut M10 and lock nut M10, and there is a shaft. Start with the body part first. New, then click isometric part, go to order, click reference plane. This is the part number 1, body part. We'll go for the extrude and construct this outermost sketch, then these cutouts later. Okay, I'll start from the center. From here to here it is 168 by 2, that is 84, and height is 14, and here to here it is 37, here to here it is 55 minus 14, 41, and here to here it is 43, and like that we construct first. We'll start one circle first, or you start from the center. This is 168 by 2 by 2, it is 84, and this one you can choose any length, and this is 37, and the height is 41, and this side is approximately you can draw. Then we'll give the dimensions like this, like this, like this. Now I construct a circle from anywhere, that is the diameter is 38. Okay, this is the diameter 38, and give the distance from here to center of the circle. It is 40, and give the distance between this line to this circle. It is given 3 mm, and this distance is given 12. See, from the center to here is 3, and here to here is 12, and distance between this line to this line is 44 by 2, that is 22, and the distance from here to this line is 43. It's given in the top here. This is 43, and this length is 41. 55 minus 14, and we have to give the distance of this 14. This is 14, and this one is 84. This is the dimensions is given. Now you trim off these lines and mirror the sketch, except this circle. Mirror this sketch on this line, and you have to trim. You trim off. Okay, now close sketch, click finish, then go for extrude, select from sketch, accept, give symmetric extent of width is 36, this is given 36, finish. Now hide the sketch. Now go for cut, this cutout, select top plane, select this plane, draw 186 mm diameter circle to cut the round shape. then close sketch, 86 diameter, then click outside step, outside I want to remove the material, this excess, this is this one 55 minus 14, that is 41, then click finish. Or now there will be a cutout in the bottom, go for the cut again, instead of cut you will go for sketch directly. I construct, see there is a this one cutout, and there is a one more cutout, and there is a square cutout, and there is a hole. All these things will construct at a time. First you construct one hole of diameter 10.5. see this is two holes of dia 10.5. Click on circle, draw one dia 10.5 and give the distance between this center to this line is 31. This is 62 by 2, 31, and construct one square, that is the square is 20 by 20, and angle is 0 degree. See this is the one 20 by 20 square, and one more is this cutout. For that cutout, the distance between the center is 8 and the radius is arc. I'll go for the same center, then the width is 8 and the height is 10. Now we construct and draw one circle for that. Draw one circle from the center, then trim this extra lines and connect. See there is no connectivity here, you connect it and move from the center. Before you move, the distance from center to here is 128, that is 64. First you draw one line from to locate the center, this is 64, and place it, then move and place this from the center. Just move the cursor to the center to center and place to the center. Now you trim off this extra line, you don't want this extra line, trim this, and there is a one more cutout of this, that is you give distance from all sides. The distance from here to here it is 8, and here to here it is 8, and here to here it is 8. Give all from 8 side. From all side it is 8. Okay, this much sketch you construct, then you mirror it, on this side and close sketch, then finish. Okay, now we want go for cut out. Go to cut, select from sketch, click on these two small circles, click OK. You have to cut through cutout, then finish. Then you choose this square cut. See there is a square cut, here to here it is 7 mm plus this cutout is 2 mm. Here to here is 2 plus 7, total 9 mm cut we have to cut for this upwards. 7 plus 2, 9. Then click finish. Now there is a one more cutout, these two cutouts, that is through hole, through cutout, move upwards, then again this bigger cutout, this and this, it is 2 mm cutout. Inside you have to make 2. It is 2 mm cutout and finish it. See, there is a gap between here to here is 2. Now we'll go for round, give a fillet here, give a fillet here, round option, there is a round here, that is a 6 mm, then preview, finish. If you want give this, there is a small fillet radius here for a 2 mm, you can choose all the corners, go to fillet radius is 2, then you choose this, or choose these 2 corners. Okay, skip that. Now there is a hole here, then for that hole you will go for revolve cutout, choose front plane, revolve cutout, just draw one line and make an axis. Before that give the dimensions, from here to here it is diameter is dimension 3, and length is 6, here to here it is 6 mm length, and if you want you can give the angle, here to here it is 45-degree angle for the, then choose axis, this is my axis, then close sketch. See, you have to rotate 360-degree, inside click inside and click 360-degree and finish, or apply the material. The body is cast iron, go for material table, then give the cast iron, apply model, then give color, choose favorite color, then save as body. Part number 2, cap. I will go for isometric part, go to tools, order, then choose the reference plane. This is the center. From here there is a 19 radius and there is a 36 radius, semicircles are given. Then the distance from here to here is 44 by 2. The distance from here to this end point is R43, that is here to here is 43, and the distance between the 2 holes is 31, and the hole diameter is 10.5. 2 holes of diameter 10.5 is given, and this width is 36, and this height is 6, and this is 12, and this is 10. These are all the dimensions given. Now I'll start with the sketch. Click on front plane. Now I'll start from this center point. First I'll draw the circle of radius 19, diameter 38, and one more is 36 radius. 2 circles I construct it. Then you draw this shape, and give dimensions like this. Now we'll go for dimensions. Give the dimension from here to here, it is 6, and here to here it is 12, and here to here it is 10. Then the width from here to here, it is from here to here, it is 44 by 2, that is 22. Here to here, it is 43, radius 43, from here to here 43 one side. And now I'll mirror the object. I'll go for mirror the object, then trim off this extra circles, trim these extra circles. Now we see from here to here is 43, here to here is 44, here to here it is 86. Then close sketch, then finish. Go for extrude and click coincident, select from sketch, select the sketch, click accept. Here you extend, symmetric extend, and enter the width is 36. Here is the 36 is the width, then finish, then hide the sketch. Now I'll go for constructing these two circles and these circles, and to cut off this all the three in one sketch. I'll go for sketch, select this reference plane, coincident plane, draw a circle of dia 10.5 and one more this radius 12, that is 12 radius. Draw one more circle and give the distances. Go to smart dimension. This is 10.5, this is dia 24, radius 12, and distance between this point to the center, it is 31, is 62 by 2, and then click fit. Now mirror the object, mirror this object on this mirror line, and draw one more circle from the center to this 86, tangentially 86. Okay, now close the sketch. See, there are two circles 10.5 and two circles for radius 12, dia 24, and other circle is for 86 diameter, like this. Then close sketch, click finish the sketch, go for cut, select from sketch, click on these two circles to make a hole, move downwards to through hole, it's a through hole, and select these two circles, click accept, move upwards. No, switch off that symmetric, you click move upwards, then click finish to cut this hole, to cut this surface, and select this outer one to cut off these corners to get this shape, click accept. Then after that you choose this side step, then show the arrow outside, then you move downwards. Can you see this? Move downwards, then click finish to cut that, then hide the sketch, See, now you want to go for revolve protrusion to make this hole, to cut out this cutout. Go for revolve cutout, select front plane. See, this diameter is 6, this bottom diameter is 3, and height is 10. Now we'll go for like this, take at any length and angle, and afterwards give the dimensions. From here to here it is 6 by 2, 3, and from here to here it is 1.5, 3 by 2, and this angle is 45 degree. Then choose the axis. This is my axis. Then close sketch, then click inside to cut the circle, type 360 degree, then finish. See, now you apply the material. The second one cap is cast iron. You can apply the material here. Click on material, cast iron. Here you choose cast iron, any cast steel, apply to model, then go to color manager, view, color manager, give some special color, any. Okay, save part as cap. The part number 3 and 4, it's a bearing bottom off and bearing top off. I will go for isometric part. See, this is the bearing bottom off and this is bearing top off. Bottom off is overall length is 50 and there is a one more step for 36 and 22, and the diameter is given 25, 35, 38 and 50. Now I construct this half hatched portion and revolve for a 180 degree, and save as the same part 3 as and part 4, and in that part 4 there is a hole and there is a revolve protrusion in part 3. Go to home, select sketch, select front plane, construct this portion. Start from first, I'll approximately draw like this. Now we'll go for dimensions. See, from here to here it is this one 25 by 2. From here to here it is 12.5. 25 by 2, 12.5. and next step, from here to here 35 by 2, that is here to here it is 35 by 2, 17.5. and another next step is the diameter 38 by 2, that is 19. This is 38 by 2, 19. and last step is, this is 50 by 2, that is 25, like this. Then you go for, see, 12.5 by 2, 17.5 by 2, 12.5, 17.5, 19, 25. Now the distance is here to here is 22 by 2 and here to here is 36 by 2. The distance from first step to this half of that, this is 22 by 2, 11, and second step is, that is 36, 18, and the final step is here to here it is 50 by 2, that is 25. This is 25. Okay, now I'll construct this half hatched portion and I'll mirror this object. You go for mirror on this line. Now it is fully constrained. Go for extension, extend this, trim off and extend axis line, then close sketch, then finish. Then select this, select from sketch, select, click accept, then revolve. This is my revolve axis, rotate for a 180 degree, click finish. Now hide the sketch. Now save the part as bearing bottom half. Save, and save the same part as one more. Go to file, save as, and bearing top half. Now in the top half there is a hole. You go for hole, cut, select coincident plane, then from the center you draw a circle of diameter 4 mm, diameter 4, and close sketch, cut, through cut, finish. Now go to color manager, give the material as brass, then save. Now close the file, open the bearing bottom of, revolve, select, choose plane, coincident plane, height like this. You approximately construct like this. Small dimension, this is 6 by 2, 3. Distance from here to here it is 5. The distance is 5 is, and axis is, this is my axis. Click close sketch, revolve 360 degree, finish, then save, and apply material as brass. And I hide these reference planes. The part number 5, bolt M10, square headed bolt of 18 by 18 is the dimension, and height is 6.5. Overall length of the bolt is 75. Threaded for 26 mm. M10 is the thread. Diameter is the 10. We'll go for extrude. Select top plane. Go to rectangle by center. Type 18 is the close sketch. Height is 6.5. Then finish. Now go for extrude again on this top surface. Draw one circle of dia 10. Close sketch. The length of 75. And click finish. Go for thread. Select cylinder to make thread. Click the end point. Don't select this, choose this point to give offset is here. See, here to here is the offset, then it is thread, that is 75 minus 26, it's 49, and choose M10, click finish. See, there is offset, then chamfer for 1 mm. Now we want to make a chamfer for the other end. Again same procedure. Go to sketch, revolve, cut, select any one diagonal plane, draw a 30-degree line, any distance, and draw a axis line. This is my axis. Close sketch, revolve, see, cut by 360 degree, finish. then you save. Bolt M10. Then apply material, ferrous iron. Part number 6, nut M10. Go to extrude, select top plane. Here you go for polygon by center, then choose vertex by vertex, and number of sides is 6 and distance is 10. Then move to center. Then close sketch. Then symmetric extend at a thickness of 8 mm. Hole option to make thread. Select this coincident plane, then go to hole options. Here it is threaded. Choose M10. Go to thread. Go to threads. Here you go for to hole extent. Close this. OK. Then click it. Close sketch. Move downwards. Then finish. You will get a threaded. Then go for chamfer. Select both the end and give some chamfer. 0.5 or 1 to make a chamfer. Now we'll go for chamfer at the outer side. I'll go for cut sketch first. First you draw a sketch on this coincident top plane. Draw one circle from the center tangent to this line, then close sketch, then finish. Then you draw, go for revolve cut, then you choose the plane for diagonal axis. For this diagonal plane is this front plane. Once you choose the plane, you will see 3 face, 1, 2, 3. You are supposed to see 3 face. Now draw a line from this. Just move the cursor on this line, it's showing the plane perpendicular to that. Then you draw one line at any distance for a distance angle of 30 degree, and choose axis of revolution is this. This is my axis and this is angle. This is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Then close sketch, click upside and cut it for 360 degree. Then finish. Hide the sketch. Now we want to mirror this feature to bottom side. No need to go for the chamfer. Then go for mirror feature. Click the object. This is my object to mirror. Click smart and click accept. Select the plane to make a chamfer opposite side. That mirrored one. Then finish and save as nut M10. Save nut M10. Save. And now to make lock nut, the lock nut is also same dimensions, and only thing the thickness is instead of 8 it's 5. Then go for save as the same nut. Go to save as, just type lock nut. Here go for protrusion, click right button, click edit definition, then zoom. Here we are given the thickness is 8 mm. Now you change the thickness 8 to 5. then finish. See, the next part is part number 8, shaft. We'll go for extrude, select right plane, draw circle of dia 25, dia 25 and length is 50. Symmetric extend for a length of 50 mm. Then save and finish. Hi friends, today I'll show how to assemble the plumber block part. I'll go for assembly now, then go to parts library, choose the folder where you have saved your file. Then first I'll drag and drop the body part. The part 1 is body, it is fully constrained by default. Now I'll go for the second part, bearing bottom off. Hold the scroll button and approximately rotate the screen here itself and drag and drop axis to axis of this hole, axis to axis, then this axial align to this axial align, then it is completely fit. Then the bearing top off, rotate, drag and drop, rotate it, mate with this part to mate with this part, and axial to axial and planar to planar, like this. Next, the cap, drag and drop the cap, select this portion, this second step, axis to axis and hole to hole, hole to hole. Then next is bolt M10, bolt M10. First I'll mate axial to axial, then mate this surface with this surface, then side plane. Can you see here? Side plane to any flat surface plane, side plane to side plane. Lock nut, nut M10, this bottom surface mate with this top surface, then axial to axial, then flat planar to planar. Again lock nut, mate axial to axial and planar to planar. Since it is a symmetric, I no need to assemble again. I'll go for symmetric extend, switch on this reference plane, then go to mirror component, choose the component which you want to make mirror, lock nut and bolt, accept, then choose the center plane, right plane, this mid plane, then click OK. The object is mirrored, then click finish. Shaft, axis to axis, then planar to planar and show construction display, any flat reference plane to flat reference plane, then hide the reference plane. Okay, save the assembly first, Plummer Block Assembly. If you want to take section, then go for PMI section. Now you choose the bottom plane, start from the bottom plane, start rectangle by 2 points, cut right half inch section, close sketch. See, I want to cut inside this box, project up to throughout the assembly. Then now you want to cut all parts or click cut only selected parts or cut only unselected parts. Select cut only unselected parts, then choose bolt, nut and lock nut should not be cutted. That's way you click preview, cutting portion is like this, then click finish. See, this is the cutted portion. Go to view, keep it front view. See, this is my sectional front view, on top view and isometric. Okay, now I'll create 2D drawing to take printouts. Go for saved file name, click on right button, click on create drawing, browse here and choose the file type, then click OK. Now here go for view drawing layout, click on that, choose front plane, front isometric and top plane as well as front, then click OK, then place it. To adjust the sheet, you choose the scale value. To show the sectional front view, click on right button, go to properties, click on section, apply, OK, then click update views. By defaultly that section portion will be highlighted. Then go to part list, show the part list and place, then click right button, go to properties, remove that author, remove, delete column and add material table, add column and apply, OK, then click update views. This color choose, then update views. Subscribe our channel to watch more videos and click bell button for notifications on new videos. Thank you.